This is a Daihatsu Trxx turbo model front bumper that I've got sent from Malaysia, originally from Japan. I've asked the sender to cut it into 4 pieces to just cut down on shipping prices. So today we're just going to be attempting to repair it, and you come along for the journey. The next step is to sand the bumper and fill the joints. Once it's all sanded back again, clean up the edges and then get some paint onto it. Let's prime it up. I've just got to rub it back with some wax and grease remover, but most of it is alright. I'm just going to leave these holes. We have done pretty much as little prep as we could do on this bar, so we're going to see how far and how much we can get away with. Here's the bar all finished. The black has a really nice sparkle in the sun. I don't know if you can see that. Some silver metallic all through it. The silver, it fried up in a lot of areas, but because it's silver, it's very well hidden. There's some there.